Hi, welcome to Hard with the Info channel. The viewers in front of me, ZTE Nubia Neo, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is native Nubia theme. It's fast, it's not loads the system, it's so beautiful maybe, it's normal native standard theme, but of course we have the problems like for example icons here are a little different than normal icons, as you can see. System icons looks different, but not all icons looks in this way. So seriously, I don't know how to explain these different of styles in Nubia launcher, but okay. On the second place in my top is Niagara launcher. Let's download it and open. So Niagara launcher is very minimalistic launcher. Using this launcher you can very fast and easy find any application. So here as you can see we have our home screen, and to find any application you just need to tap your finger on the alphabetical line and move it to desired player. For example, I want to find the YouTube, so I just move my finger to the Y, and here is my YouTube. Calendar, C, books, so I have no books up, but okay. B, I don't know, Gmail is here. WeChat, I have no, but okay, it's here. So as you can see, it's very fast. But on the first place in my top is Smart Launcher 6, and it's all because it's beautiful and beautiful one more time. So it's one of the most beautiful launchers, and it's not load the system because it's very easy and clear. So here we have our just home screen, main menu, click no thanks here to have normal app drawer without groups. Here we have news, and here we have beautiful, maybe the most beautiful wallpaper gallery. So here we have, oh, it's so minimalistic and cool. Click OK, apply. Cool, great, it looks cool. So here we have Icon Pack Studio, we can set up smart widgets or other things, but you can use it even without smart features. Even without smart features, this launcher is the best of the best. So thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!